everyone, welcome back to Home and Manu's World. Here I am home. So today I am going to unbox a remote control car. Isn't it exciting? Even we can remove the window. So let's open. This is how the box looks. Wow, it looks very nice. Here we got the car. Here we got a charger in case the batteries are over. And a steering wheel for this. So these are the things which we got in the remote control car's box. So this is the steering wheel for this car. So this is the car's steering wheel. So this is the front button and this is the back button. This is the right side button. This is the left side button, and the middle button opens its door. And you can do zoom, zoom, zoom. So let's make this car to get on. This is the on and off button. I'm going to turn it on. See? So the car's color is very nice. I like it. Even the color is very nice, and we can also open the doors. This is the very beautiful color, the green color, and it's very nice. Do you like it? I'm pressing the middle button. As you can see, the windows are opening. Isn't it nice? I'm pressing the front button. As you can see, I'm pressing the front button. Now I'm pressing the back button. As you can see, I'm pressing the front button. I'm pressing the back button now. Let's try it on the floor. I'm going to hit the skitter. I did it! Let's try it again. So now I'm going to make the car go into in the middle of those two skitters. Yay! So now I'm going to make the car go into the barrel of the two Skittles. Yay! Yes, very nice. Now I'm going to make the Skittles down and make the Skittles fall down. Come on! So that is how the car works. So thank you for watching. Comment down below. How did you like my car? Please subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So for now on, thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.